Jai Jagannath, my dear lovely students. May Lord Jagannath bless you each with a life full of joy and happiness. Students, before we read SGP 3, I will make you remember about the facts of SGP 1 and SGP 2 of the lesson A Tiny Warrior. Students, you know Mitu and Situ were two sisters. Mitu studied in class 7, Situ studied in class 5. Mitu was in the habit of reading English meaning book to know the Odia meaning of different words and sentences. Mr. Giri saw Mitu was reading meaning book. He felt unhappy and thought how Mitu will learn English. He took a paragraph. The paragraph was about the shape and size of the cricket ground. And he prepared two activities. One was based on conversation and the other was note making. Mr. Giri, applying two activities, made me to learn English. Then Mr. Giri, the uncle, said to his niece, Mitu, you should not follow any meaning book. Meaning book only gives Odia meaning. It does not help anyone to learn English. At that very moment, Situ broke her silence. Situ wanted to ask something to her uncle. Students, let us read SGP 3 to know what Situ, the younger sister of Mitu, wanted to ask her uncle, wanted to share with her uncle. Let us read SGP 3. Students, I am going to read the paragraph aloud. You listen to me. Situ was silently sitting and watching what happened between her uncle and her sister. She broke her silence and asked, if our teachers read aloud a paragraph and explain the meaning in Odia, are they doing the right thing? No, not at all. They are as harmful as the bazaar note, said Mr. Giri. What happened after this is the story of Situ. Situ said how meaning books have lots of mistakes. One of her teachers did not give her any mark for an answer. He thought the wrong answer in the bazaar note was the right answer. She took this matter to her headmistress. She called the teacher and asked him to give her mark. She also banned the use of bazaar notebooks in their school. She made Situ the leader of the movement against meaning books in their school. Students, I read the SGP aloud. You will do a practice of reading the paragraph again and again at your home. Students, I am going to explain the SGP 3 in simple words and simple sentences. You listen mindfully. Students, SGP 3 has two paragraphs, paragraph 6 and paragraph 7. Paragraph 6 tells about the teacher's teaching process, and paragraph 7 tells about the harmful effects of the meaning book. Situ asked her uncle, "Uncle, the teachers of our school read a paragraph. After that, they explain the meaning of the paragraph in Odia. Are they doing the right thing? Do you think the teachers are right? The teachers are correct?" Mr. Giri said, "Situ, no, the teachers are not correct. The teachers are not doing the right thing." Then Situ asked her uncle, "Uncle, meaning books have lots of mistakes. I am going to say you what happened one day. One day, one of my teachers gave some questions to answer. I answered all of the questions. I thought all answers will be correct, but the teacher did not give any mark for an answer. He thought that the answer of the meaning book was right. The answer of the meaning book was correct. I felt unhappy. I thought I will take the matter to the headmistress notice. I did so. I took the matter to the headmistress. The headmistress verified my answer, and immediately she called the teacher and asked him to give mark. The teacher gave him a mark. She came to know that most of the students as well as the teachers are following meaning books in their school. So she banned meaning books in their school. She called me to her side and said, "Situ, you have done a great job. You have opened all the eyes of the students as well as the teachers. You are really a great warrior." Since that day, Situ was called a tiny warrior. Students, it was the fact of SGP 3. Now I am going to discuss comprehension questions. You listen mindfully. What are these two paragraphs about? About Mithu, Mr. Giri or Situ? These two paragraphs are about Situ and Mr. Giri, who said meaning books have lots of mistakes. Situ said meaning books have lots of mistakes. Even if the answer of Situ was correct, why did not her teacher give her any mark? The teacher thought that the answer of the meaning book was correct, so he did not give any mark for the answer. What did Situ do next? Situ took the matter to her headmistress. What did the headmistress ban? The headmistress banned the meaning book in their school. What was the movement about? The movement was against the meaning book. Who did the headmistress make the leader of the movement? Why? The headmistress made Situ the leader of the movement Situ proved that meaning books had lots of mistakes, bringing her matter into the headmistress notice. Will you use meaning book after reading this lesson? No, I will not use meaning book after reading this lesson. Students, I am giving you other questions. You will read the questions mindfully and you will try to answer. Thank you, students. Goodbye. See you in the next class.